If you want a travel trailer that's lightweight, affordable, and actually feels like a real RV, not a glorified tin can, then start with the Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup. This lineup is the definition of accessible adventure. Whether you're a solo traveler, a camping couple, a growing family, or someone who just wants to bring along toys for the ride, there's a Wolf Pup floor plan that's built for you. And the best part is you don't need a massive truck or a second mortgage to tow one. So let's break down why the Wolf Pup continues to be one of the most popular lightweight travel trailers on the road, from its interior layout to construction features and a little bit of towing reality. So at a glance, the Wolf Pup lineup keeps things compact and efficient without feeling cramped. With floor plans ranging from just over 17 feet to nearly 24 feet in length, and most models staying well under 4,000 pounds dry, these trailers hit the sweet spot for modern campers who want flexibility. That weight range opens the door to mid-size SUVs and smaller trucks, which is exactly why you see Wolf Pups everywhere, from national parks to weekend campground escapes. One of the Wolf Pup's biggest strengths is floor plan variety. Even though these trailers stay within a smaller size class, the layouts feel totally different depending on how you camp. You can choose front bedroom models for privacy, rear kitchens for better flow, micro bunk layouts for families, a rear entry design, or even a full-on toy hauler. Same general footprint, wildly different personalities. What really seals the deal, though, is that Forest River doesn't treat entry level like a dirty word. Every Wolf Pup comes standard with features that used to be upgrades or didn't exist at all just a few years ago. For example, a tankless on-demand water heater, a 7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, seamless countertops, a power awning, and the rock-solid Wolf Pup stable step entrance are all standard. No trimming the option sheet just to make the trailer livable. And if you want to push beyond paved campgrounds, Forest River gives you options. The Adventure Package adds a lifted frame and aggressive off-road tires for campers who like dirt roads and dispersed campsites. Now, if style matters just as much as substance, the Black Label Package upgrades the Wolf Pup with fiberglass gel coat walls, frameless windows, Arctic insulation, upgraded solid surface countertops, better lighting, and premium fabrics. Same Wolf Pup attitude, just dressed a little sharper. Step inside and the first thing you notice is how bright and open it feels for a compact trailer. The interior design is clean, modern, and efficient, with smart use of space that makes everything feel intentional instead of squeezed in. The kitchen covers the essentials without pretending to be something it's not. You'll find a flush mount range that handles cooking duties, and the glass cover pulls double duty as both prep space and a splash guard. Above it, a range hood with a fan and light keeps steam and smells under control. Cleanup is easy thanks to a high-rise faucet paired with a deep single-bowl undermount sink set into a seamless countertop. Cold storage comes from the 7.1 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, complete with a travel lock so it stays shut when the road gets twisty. Flowing into the living area, comfort takes center stage. Push-style LED lighting lets you control the vibe instead of blasting the space with hospital bright overheads. Large windows use solar thermal-controlled reflective glass to keep heat out, and the blackout glass entry door, prepped for a shade, adds another layer of temperature and privacy control. Climate is handled by a 13.5K BTU roof-mounted AC paired with a 20K BTU furnace, which is plenty of muscle for a trailer this size. Entertainment doesn't get ignored either. Inside and outside speakers, a designated TV mounting location, and multiple USB-C charging stations make it easy to relax, recharge, or pretend you're off-grid while still streaming your favorite shows. The oversized dinette anchors the space, and with a removable table, it quickly converts into an extra sleeping area when needed. The bathroom sticks to the Wolf Pup's adventure-first philosophy. The tankless water heater means hot water is always on tap, so no more speed showering like you're in a gym locker room. The shower tub combo comes with a full surround and built-in shelving, making it perfect for rinsing off after hiking, biking, or dealing with muddy kids. A foot-flush toilet and a strong vent fan round out the space, keeping it functional and low maintenance. And in the bedroom, the Wolf Pup delivers exactly what you want and nothing you don't. A queen bed with a premium comforters included, so you're not immediately running to a store after pickup. Night shades block out morning light. Storage is handled through either flanking wardrobes or overhead cabinetry, depending on the layout, and a dedicated CPAP outlet proves someone at Forest River actually camps, or at the very least listens to people that do. Now, if you're looking at a toy hauler model, the rear garage is where the Wolf Pup really shows off here. The ramp door doesn't just load gear, it converts into a railed patio deck, instantly expanding your living space. Inside, folding gaucho sofas give you seating by day and sleeping by night, while the moonshade screen wall lets fresh air in and keeps bugs out. It's equal parts practical and party ready. Underneath the good looks, though, the Wolf Pup is built on a solid foundation. Power gear frame technology with a space saver rail design keeps things strong without unnecessary weight. The main floor uses tongue and groove plywood for durability, and the roof is topped with a seamless heat reflective membrane that helps keep interior temperatures in check. Outside, the details matter too. The Cherokee stable step entrance features an oversized landing that feels secure instead of sketchy. The entry door uses blackout glass, a friction hinge that holds position, and shade prep for extra convenience. Above it all, a full-length power awning with an LED light strip provides shade during the day and clean ambient lighting at night. Practical exterior features are everywhere. You get a scare light for nighttime security, an outdoor shower with hot and cold water, a pre-installed Cherokee backup camera system, a detachable power cord, 4 quick-style stabilizer jacks, 12-volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, tire pressure indicators, and a spare tire already mounted. It's nothing flashy, it's just the stuff you actually want when you're using the trailer. Now, towing is where the Wolf Pup really earns its reputation, with dry weights ranging from roughly 2,600 pounds as all, up to about 4,500 pounds. This lineup plays perfectly with modern tow vehicles. Properly equipped midsize SUVs like the Ford Explorer, Honda Passport, and Chevy Blazer can handle most Wolf Pup models without breaking a sweat. Now, step up to the larger floor plans or load really heavy, and a full-size SUV like a Chevy Tahoe makes towing even more relaxed. As always, check your specific vehicle's tow ratings in the owner's manual before committing, but the bottom line here is simple. The Wolf Pup makes RV ownership possible without forcing you into a giant truck. Lightweight, well-equipped, and flexible enough to match just about any camping style, the Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup proves that you don't need excess size or excess cost to get real freedom on the road. If you want an RV that's easy to tow, easy to live with, and ready for real adventures, this one deserves a serious look. To explore floor plans and see one in person, simply head to your local Camping World and find the Wolf Pup that fits your style.